Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to print on demand. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first thing, we need to go to the browser, and then we must go to Google. Over here, we need to search for Printify, and then we'll open this website here of printify.com, which we can drop shipping and printing services for the e-commerce. So let's go to Printify. And now here in the main page or in the interface, you need to log in with your account or create an account. And so let's go to create a new account by click on sign up over here. And now we may enter an email and password and click on sign up. It just takes a while until you create an account. And then here, what describes you best? I have my own e-commerce store. I represent a company. I'm a social media influencer. I represent a non-profit organization or other. So in my case, I go with other. And here you can enter your answer. So for example, I'm doing this for a passion. And click on next. And here, what is your main objective? So I would say grow my current business. What brings you to Printify? I'm just exploring. How did you find out Printify? These all are optional answers. You can do whatever you want. For example, again with Facebook or Instagram ads. Click over here. And then, thank you for your time. What would you like to do now? Order a sample, connect your store to Printify, or design your custom product. And then let's go back to Printify, the main page. And then now, once we're here on this page, we'll go to click catalog over here, this option. So we'll be there here at this page, so we can able to choose between any product of our products. And so we have catalog here. So let's choose between t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, drinkware, well decorations, tank tops, and so on. Also, we have here these items. So let's go for t-shirts, which is the most common project, print on demand for t-shirts. And here's the country: USA, Canada, UK, Europe, Australia, and China, and so on. So let's choose this one here. And here we have more details and briefing about the product, which is B5 t-shirt, short. So for example, it's a 100% cotton jersey, medium fabric, relaxed fit, black swan label, and so on. So we just go here, and we have the rate 6.5. You can choose any rate that fits you, and also the pricing. The location is in USA, United States, and the price here is 16.42, and the shipping stands from 5.19, and the average production time 2 to 9 business days. And so these information also are very important, and these are the colors that t-shirt is available for. And so we go here and click on start designing. And so here for the design, we have the front side, the back side. Also, we got here add a design from my device, our AI image generator beta, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, Fiverr, and also the print file requirements. These are the file requirements. It should be JPG, PNG, and SVG file. The maximum is 100% megabytes for JPG and PNG, or 20 megabytes for the SVG. And the print area size is 4,500 and 5,100 pixels, or 300 dpi, and the maximum resolution is this definition. And so these are very important for Canva, but we're not going to use Canva today. We're going to another website, which is, it's called Creative Fabrica. So let's go to Creative Fabrica. Here at this website, you can go open the creativefabrica.com, which a premium crafting fonts, graphics, and more. And this website is very good for our video or our tutorial today. And also, we need to create an account. And so let's go and create an account and back to you. And so here in Creative Fabrica, the design, what we like to do here, it's pattern. So let's search, for example, for a fruits pattern, and click enter. in here in this page, we just need to go here down to special license and click on print on demand. We need to mark this option. And so here we have a lot of designs, so also we need a free design, so most of them are paid, and then we're gonna search for a free one. But here there's no need to use this website from my end because I have already created my design. And so just let me show you the final step of the design. So I can click on my device, or I can drag and drop my design. And so I go here, this is my design, just let me show it to you. This is my design. It says beauty, beauty, beauty. Okay, so just let me show you how I can do this. I will drag this design, and then I'll go to the website here, and I'll put it in the front, and I'll wait until this done. And so here I have the design. I can take it here up to the left, up to the right, the medium, down, and so on. And also I can go down here. I'm just gonna skip the width, the height, the scale, rotate, position left and top. I'll skip all of these. I just go here to create pattern, and then here in create pattern I will click on it, and boom, here as you can see it's been like pattern. So just let me make it smaller, and this is my design as a patterns. Also I can change the pattern by grid or brick horizontal, or also vertical, and this is how I can change my pattern style. Just let me make it here to be easy to see, and also I can make it on grid. It seems much better than vertical in my opinion, and so I'll make it grid. Also I can check the back side of the design. I'll go and drag the design here once again to the back, and once done 100% I can see it. I'll go down here to create pattern and make it grid. I'll take this a little bit smaller to see it like that here. And also we can preview the design over here at the front. Just let me wait a few seconds. Here's the front, the back, and also person 1 and person 2 as well. All of these are the expected final result of the product once we print on demand on this t-shirt. And so I go down here to click on save product, and now the product's been saved. We can connect the product to our shop, and these all S for small, medium, large, X large, 2X large, 3X large, and so on. These are all the sizes of the t-shirt, and this is the name or the title, description, and also we can add a size table to description. We can change all of these, the pricing as well. We can edit these as much as we would like to do. And then we can connect a store over here. Once we click on this option and click on connect, we can connect that to ATSY, Shopify, TikTok US, Walmart, Printify pop-up, and so on. This is back to your choices. And so at this point we have covered all the tutorials, so just let us take a quick recap that we did. At the beginning we went to the website, and then we created an account. We choose our product that we'd like to print on demand, and once we choose the product, we went to a third-party website to choose our design, and then we put the design in the t-shirt or the product, and we previewed the final result. And now here we are about to connect the final result with our store, and this is a quick recap of what we did. At the end, if you find this very helpful, you can leave a like and comment down below in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can go through the channel to see more and more tutorials that may set your expectations and follow your expectations. At the end, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Have a good day.